Hello everyone. This is yet another video of Fun Ashanti Tree. You know, tree is a very interesting language because one way of responding can be said in various variety. And today we're going to learn a very simple one, which is very important to know before you visit Ghana or when you meet Ghanaians, for you to let them know that, hey, I'm American, I'm a British, I am an Asian, but I know some Ghana words, okay? And you know, Ghanaians love it when people know their language or their culture or a city. It makes them feel good. So if you're dating a Ghanaian, or if you're going to Ghana, you're going to do work, or you have any friends, just try and use this to impress them, okay? So let's say we learned Etisen in the last video. If you haven't listened, go and listen to it before this one. So when they say Etisen, that is, how are you? The response is, I'm fine, thank you. And you can say it in different ways. So I'm fine is Ey3 Papa. Or you can say I'm well, which is Mehoye. Or you can say by the grace of God. You know, Ghanaians are very spiritual or Christian-like. That's part of the culture. Although, I don't know if most people practice it, but it's just a culture thing. They're very spiritual. So most of the time, people will say, Nyame Adom, Nyame Adom, which means by the grace of God. But with all the various varieties, which we'll go through each day, I'm going to do a very interesting one today. And it's simple, the simplest one, Ey3 Papa. But you know, if you've been to Ghana before and you're not a Ghanaian, one thing you pick up quickly is that we use the word please all the time and thank you. I know some Americans, when they come there and people say, please, I'm fine, thank you, it doesn't make sense to them. They're like, what do you mean, please, thank you? Oh, please, I'm fine. But that's the culture. When you go to Rome, hey, you do what the Romans do. So here, I'll teach you this word, this sentence. Me paucho me hoye. It's very polite in the Ghanaian culture. Saying please doesn't belittle you. In Ghana, it means you're being polite. Unlike in America, when you say please, some people think you're too humble or they belittle you with it. When you say please, I'm fine, thank you, they think you're silly. You just say fine, fine, I'm well, what's up? Okay. But here, we're going to use the polite way. So, me paucho, me hoye. Repeat after me. Me paucho, me hoye. Or, me paucho, Ey3 Papa. Let's say it again. Ey3 Papa. Okay, let's add the me paucho. Me paucho, me hoye. Me paucho, me hoye. Repeat it. Me paucho, Ey3 Papa. Me paucho, me hoye. Which one do you prefer? Let's just do Ey3 Papa, okay? And if you want to be polite, you say me paucho, me hoye. Great. Let's do it one more time. Me paucho, me hoye. Let's do it again. Me paucho, Ey3 Papa. Let's say it again. Ey3 Papa. And yet, as I tell you, we don't slang it. We say it short. Ey3 Papa. Ey3 Papa. Ey3 Papa. Ey3 Papa. Hey, it rhymes, right? Hey, yeah, papa. Let's make a song. Hey, yeah, papa. Hey, yeah, papa. Hey, yeah, papa. Hey, yeah, papa. So, hey, yeah, papa. Great. All right. Say it, pronounce it, and keep practicing. Give me or share in the comments which version that you like most, and how you've been able to say it to friends and family. Thank you for watching this video. We will continue the next video with another version of I'm fine, thank you, or I'm well. Thank you. Bye.